Did you know WhatsApp has started rolling out usernames? You can now reserve your own username before someone else takes it. So let's get started. First, you need to open a WhatsApp. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now, you open settings. Then you need to tap on account. Then tap on username. Once reserved username window appears, now you need to tap on create username. Now in this window enter the username you want. If it's available, tap the save button to save the username. Now your username has been reserved. If in case you don't see the username option yet, don't worry. WhatsApp is rolling out this feature gradually. So keep your app updated and check your again later. If you found this tutorial helpful, then give this video a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.